Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to be covering the point-slope form of the equation of a line. So in this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the point-slope form to write equations of a line, how to write linear equations that model data and make predictions. Now the point-slope has the form of y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, with the slope m that passes through the points x1, y1. So let's do an example. Let's write the point-slope form of the equation of a line with slope 4 that passes through the points -1, 3. So we know that the point-slope form has the form of y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So here we have a slope of 4, which is our m. We have x1, which is our point -1. And then we have our y1, which is 0.3. So now we can fill in the rest. And then we can simplify this as y minus 3 equals 4 times x plus 1. So that's our point-slope form of the equation of a line. So here's how to write the point-slope form of the equation of a line that passes through 2 points. So the first thing you're going to do is use the points to compute the slope m. Then you're going to use either given points as x1, y1, and write the point-slope form of the equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then, to get the slope-intercept form of the line's equation, we solve this equation for y. So let's do an example. Let's write an equation in point-slope form and slope-intercept form of the line passing through -1, -3, and 4, 2. So our point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So to find m, we're going to use rise over run, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or here's our y2 minus y1 divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is -1. So we can simplify that as 2 plus 3 over 4 plus 1, or 5 over 5 equals 1. So that means our slope is 1. So now we can pick one of these points, let's pick 4, 2, and write our point-slope form. So we have y minus y1, which is 2, times equals 1 times, let's just write that down here. So we have y minus 2 equals 1 times x minus x1, which is 4. So that's our point-slope form. Now to write it in slope-intercept form, we're going to solve for y. So let's take this equation, y minus 2 equals 1. So now we're just going to solve for y. So if we add 2 to both sides, we get y equals x minus 4 plus 2, or y equals x minus 2. So that's our slope-intercept form. So in this tutorial, you learned how to use the point-slope form to write equations of a line, and how to write linear equations that model data and make predictions. Now try and solve problems in the point-slope form of the equation of a line workbook. For more help, sign up for online tutoring. And in the next tutorial, we're going to cover linear equations in two variables. Thank you.